Good afternoon, guys. So today, my daughter and I decided that we wanted to clean out the fridge. And as you can see, it's another hot mess that we have to tackle. But that's okay because doing one small thing at a time is just fine with me. Although some people would say this isn't really a small thing to do because this literally took probably about 2 hours to get done. But we did it. And you can see how there's just condiments everywhere. Drinks are everywhere. We have bowls that we need to go ahead and empty and throw in the trash. We have a ton of those condiments up there that we could definitely throw away because we save everything. Because, anytime we go to Taco Bell, half the time they only give me like 4 or 5 packets. I'm like, that's not enough. So I try to save what I can. As I start cleaning out the fridge, you're going to see that this thing is filthy. It really needs a good deep cleaning, which I honestly, we clean it every so often, but not really too in depth. Like, we don't pull every single thing out and just start washing things. I usually just spray it down and wipe it down. But this time I ended up going in and just pulling everything out of the refrigerator. I'll do the freezer another time because this right here was already took us quite a while to get done. But it looked like something just spilled in there. It was actually bacon bits. I was like, how in the world did that happen? But somebody put it upside down and it was just, it pretty much went all over the place. But that's okay because we cleaned it out. But, my motto is there's really no reason to get upset when you see messes like this because just clean it. Take time and just get things done, because there's times where you can feel just so overwhelmed and it's hard to get yourself motivated. That happens to me quite often where sometimes I just have too much going on in my brain and I'm thinking to myself, what do I need to do? Slow down. Think of one thing at a time. So I am kind of glad that I have been doing that for the past few months. Things have gotten a little bit easier, like I said in my previous video. I don't know what changed, but I started thinking more positive about life, changing how my mindset works, how I think about things. And I tell myself, you know what? You just take one thing at a time, slow down. Let's work on this first, and then we'll go to the next thing. And that actually helps. So I'm glad that I'm able to take the time, like I said, for the past few months and get my house decluttered, just clean out like each room. And I still have a long way to go, which is why I really wanted to, start doing videos of what I'm doing because there are so many people who go through what I do, who tend to just, look at what they have and feel like they just get so overwhelmed they cannot do anything with it. They just, sit back, start feeling depressed, feel like they just don't have time to do anything. All they want to do is watch TV or all they want to do is work. And it's just because it's too much. But, at the end of the day, you just have to tell yourself, okay, let's do this. And then you just go for it. And that's pretty much what I've been doing. So one thing about me is I ramble a lot. And sometimes I can't exactly say how I want to say things. Like in my head, I know what I want to say, but when it comes out, it just doesn't sound the way that I want it to. There are some people who can read me very well and say, oh, I know what you're talking about. But then there's others like, what are you talking about, woman? It's just a battle. It is what it is. And I just deal with it and hope for the best every time. Hope this video can help motivate you to tackle those daily tasks just one day at a time or one thing at a time. It really doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. I'm not sure what's on this shelf. It was pretty dark and just nasty. But that Dawn actually worked very well of getting it off. So I am glad it looks good now.
You're golden. Daylight is laid to rest beneath all the rubble, and all that runs through my flesh is a spirit of trouble. Under moonlit sky, I'm desperate to feel more alive, alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake, call me up out of the in my head, suffocated by sorrow. My bones start to disconnect, my soul becomes hollow. In the endless night, I'm desperate to feel more alive, alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake, call me up out of the.
So my fridge is a little big for this opening, which is why it was kind of difficult to get this in here, to get this glass in there, and get those drawers pulled out. But we did the best we could, and we got it done. So right here, we start going through all of the items that were in the fridge, and if anything looks like it was outdated or just didn't look right, we ended up just throwing it away. We probably should have threw away a lot of this stuff because I have a feeling it's just going to sit in my fridge for quite some time.
But I know too, everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the wind and rain, I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with the assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind.
To be honest, I would love to use the organizational little bins that people I see in so many like TikTok videos or YouTube videos, but when I go and look at those prices, I'm like, do I really want to pay $8 for something or $16 for something when I can honestly just make my fridge, you know, look pretty good the way it is, because everything is not going to stay in those little bins. I have 3 teenage children. They don't care. They're going to open stuff and they're going to put it wherever they want to put it. So I just try to refrain from spending any kind of extra money on things that really I really will probably not utilize for so long.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be.
If you like this video, please subscribe. I really do hope that it motivated you to get up and want to get things done.